Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make Mojito easily at home, updated. Start by washing mint and cutting 2 limes into wedges, then measure 2 tablespoons sugar and 2 ounces white rum per glass. Gently muddle mint with lime and sugar to release oils, add crushed ice, pour rum, and top with 3 to 4 ounces club soda. Stir briefly, garnish with a mint sprig, and serve immediately for best freshness and aroma. Start by placing 2 lime wedges and 2 tablespoons sugar in a highball glass, then gently muddle for about 10 seconds to release juice and oils. Add 2 ounces white rum, fill the glass with crushed ice, and pour 3 to 4 ounces club soda over the top. Stir with a long spoon to combine layers, then garnish with a fresh mint sprig and a thin lime wheel for a bright, aromatic finish. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content and tips. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading recipes and notes while you cook, a handy companion in the kitchen. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if you like, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. A few easy tips will elevate your Mojito. Use superfine sugar or 1 ounce simple syrup for faster mixing, swap white rum for aged rum for a richer note, or add 1/4 teaspoon of bitters for complexity. Try muddling less if you prefer a cleaner mint flavor, and consider using 8 to 10 mint leaves to avoid bitterness. Taste as you go and adjust sweetness or lime to suit your preference.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.